Hello and welcome. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to complete a training in Enphase University, step by step. Once you've enrolled in a training, you'll find it on your dashboard under the My Learning section. Depending on the type of training, it will be organized under either programs or elective courses. To get started, simply click on the training you'd like to begin. This will take you to the training's main page, where you can view key details such as the description, duration, and the number of courses included. A training may consist of a single course or multiple courses. If there are multiple courses, you'll start with the first one while the others remain locked. As you complete each course, the next one will automatically unlock, so be sure to complete them all to earn your certification. Each course is made up of a variety of learning activities, such as videos, documents, quizzes, or interactive modules, designed to guide you through the content. These activities are arranged in a specific sequence, so it's important to follow them in order. You'll need to complete each activity before moving on to the next. Completion criteria may vary. For example, watching a video all the way through, passing a quiz, or marking a task as complete. So make sure you meet the requirements for each step. As you progress, your completion status is tracked automatically. To successfully finish a course and your overall training, be sure to complete every activity. Keep in mind that not all trainings include a certificate. For those that do, once you've completed the training, don't forget to view your certificate. This ensures it gets added to the My Certificates section on your dashboard. Once everything is complete, your training status will be updated accordingly. And that's it. You're all set to navigate and complete your training with ease. Happy learning!